Hello guys, and welcome back. In today's video I'm going to be wrapping a little present for Secret Santa. Secret Santa is a little game that people play with their friends during this time of the year, or like in office settings where you all like pick, like you pick number, you take numbers and then you throw them into like a little ballot thing, and then you pick whichever number you pick, that person, you are meant to buy a present for that person. And you people decide on a budget. So if you decide you want to spend £10 each on a present for everyone, then you're just going to go off and get the £10 worth present for the number that you've chosen. And you're not supposed to know whose number you've chosen, and that person is not supposed to. I think you might know whose number you've chosen, but the person is not supposed to know you. Or I don't know how it really works, but the bottom line is you're all buying presents for each other. So this is the present that I've already wrapped, and I'm going to show you how I wrapped this little present. It's really like just a basic wrap that I do, like if I'm quickly going to do something, give somebody a gift. I don't work in a card shop or in a gift shop, so I'm not like a professional wrapping expert. This is just what I'll do for my little friends in the neighborhood or at work. And this particular one is going to my husband's office, my significant other. He's not very crafty, so I do all his DIYs for him. I'm the one who goes around the house with a toolbox, repairing stuff and doing paintings and all that. So yes, let's jump straight into the video. So this is a basic gift wrap idea, and you will need wrapping paper, scissors, sticky tape, and your gift. I'm wrapping the Crabtree and Evelyn hand cream set. This is the special one that is made for Christmas, that you can use as a Christmas gift, a simple one. So let's do this. The first thing you want to do is try and fit the box in to the wrapping paper. You make sure that you have enough paper to go around the box, and trim off any excess wrapping paper so it doesn't get too bulky. All that's left to do now is to finesse this present and to give it the finishing touches. I'm using a garden twine in wine color, burgundy, oxblood, whatever you want to call it. You can definitely use ribbons here or anything that they sell in the shops that could serve for decorative purposes. Yes. So that's it, all done. Yeah, you may want to put it in as a decoration in your home, or you may just want to give it to somebody. Maybe you're part of your Christmas Secret Santa work, or it may be fine just under the Christmas tree. Yeah, I shall see you in the next one. Bye.